Developing problem-solving skills in computer science involves consistent practice and exposure to a variety of challenges. Start by working on small, manageable projects that align with your interests and skill level. As you become more confident, gradually increase the complexity and scope of your projects. Work through coding exercises and puzzles found in books, websites, or other resources that focus on computer science concepts and problem-solving techniques. Collaborate with others on projects or in coding clubs to learn from their experiences. Share insights and develop teamwork skills. Participate in open source projects or contribute to coding communities, as these experiences can help you apply your skills in real world situations. Finally, be persistent and patient with yourself, recognizing that problem solving abilities improve over time with regular practice and dedication. Remember, working with a tutor or a mentor, such as those available at your business, can provide valuable guidance and support as you hone your problem solving skills.